Proton Mail, the company announced today it is rebuilding both its Android and iOS app using a new architecture. Proton says it will enable faster performance, better stability, and major features like offline mode and advanced search. Internal testing of the app is already started. The newly built Proton Mail app will come with many new features, some of which the users have been asking for. One of them is full offline mode. Users can finally read and write emails without needing to stay connected to the internet. This is the most requested feature by the Proton community, especially for those traveling or in low signal area. Proton says it's also implementing a new and improved advanced search tool that will make it easier to find emails, attachments, and entire threads. There is also talks about improving stability and also an overall speed boost as a part of the rewrite. One of the most exciting additions is the category view that is coming. This is like Gmail categories. It automatically sorts email into categories by message type and include new tools to unsubscribe from newsletters and automate inbox cleanup. There will also be a new view to browse all received attachments in one space. Proton has an entire suite of privacy focused apps. The Proton Calendar is arguably the most popular one after Proton Mail, and it's also getting a similar architecture rewrite. The new calendar will come with a focus on search, task support, and offline access. Businesses will be able to set up small teams without needing their own domain while implementing retention rules for compliances.